When I'm having a conversation with my CFO, it's about how do I scale support without having to increase my cost envelope. We have been running for just over 3 months, and the support assistant has paid for itself. The challenge that all support organizations have got today is that the customers that we're dealing with vary. When that customer comes through to a support engineer, that support engineer has to establish who they're talking to, the skill level that they've got, the use case that they've got, what release they're running, all this kind of metadata that you have to pull together first before you can then start engaging with the customer on trying to answer their question or resolve their issue. There's a phrase I coin when I talk about what the customers want, and that is to search, find, fix, and move on. And what the support assistant helps us do is helps us find the relevant information, and that can come from multiple sources of data. The benefits that we are seeing within support since we've turned the support assistant on is it's creating capacity within the support team. So the more time I give the engineers, the more time they've got to spend on creating more content to make it available to the customers externally.
If everything is siloed, then every engineer is only as good as his or her own experience. If you can release that knowledge and make it accessible, then you're actually multiplying. So every single engineer's knowledge is available to any engineer immediately. With this AI assistant, now you can just type your question and you actually get an immediate response. Let's say a customer has come to me and asked me a question, how to ingest system metrics using Elastic agents. Ask the support assistant to give us the steps. It thinks for a moment. It comes up with a step-by-step guide on how to ingest system metrics exactly as we asked. Equally, if this were perhaps a more complicated issue, then I could use this response as a basis for further research, and I could make sure that exactly what the customer needs based upon my own mental map of what the symptoms are and what the solution is what I deliver to them. Another wonderful thing is, with every case that's raised and every solution we find, the system is self-improving because that's recorded as we go and as we build. Even as new products get released, new data is being added to the system and is becoming available to the AI assistant to answer the questions.
What we're seeing in terms of volume, we're seeing about 500 cases deflected. That's about 80% of my volume. And we're only just starting to scratch the surface, moving from reactive to proactive support to self-healing support. So the journey that we're on now it's a really exciting place to be.